So all the parts came in to finish my project. The bracket, or brake caliper bracket, and he gave me washers. I don't know if this came with the kit or if he just added in there. These washers are way too big. The washers are used to space it out depending on what or how wide your wheel is. And these are the electronics. I don't know what's in it. He wrapped it just like this. I'm assuming these are the controllers, motor controllers or speed control. So I'm not gonna open it until I get to my apartment. I had all this delivered to my hotel. Supposedly, I caused a static damage on the BLE or the controller, which caused the controller to stop working. I honestly think the controller was damaged or was defective. I wouldn't say he damaged it or I damaged it. You know, nothing is perfect. Even if you order new things, it's not gonna work sometimes. So anyway, I'm not gonna open this until I get to my apartment, and I'm gonna document everything. My plan is to try the electronic controller or speed controller first, the one that didn't work, and see what goes from there. Alright, I just came back from my 3.5 hour drive from my hotel. I'm back to my apartment. So I opened the controllers. They were covered in styrofoam. Before I plugged this in, I wanted to try what we talked about over the WhatsApp. So I was asking him, how do I get these two lights to come on and off? And he told me was press the button 3 times. This one right here, this blue button. Okay, so if you press it 3 times, one will go off. Press it again 3 times. Maybe not. There you go, it switches. And it should work. Let's see. The thing is backwards. I'll press it again 3 times, see which one works. So both wheels should work. Press it again 3 times, see which one works. Ah, now I get it. So red means it's off. So front wheel drive. All right, we're gonna see front wheel drive, see how fast it can go. That's on sport mode. Ooh, 70. Well, that's just floating, so I don't know how fast it is on the ground. I'm about 200 pounds. All right. Now we're gonna try both wheels. All right, both wheels. I don't think I'll try that fast. I probably won't ride this for another 2 weeks. All I'll do is put it together. I didn't bring my car to ride today. It's 3.5 hour drive, so. But probably in 2 weeks, I'll mess with it again. I honestly don't want to ride that fast. I just wanted the 2-wheel drive, you know. But, well, no, we'll find out later.